I was gifted this Mellanni Queen sheet set by the manufacturer. Mellanni sent this to me and I really appreciate it. This is a really awesome sheet set. This one I have in front of me is a queen. It's a microfiber. It's from their iconic collection and it is so super soft. I want to show you how amazing this sheet set is. It's soft and it's cozy in the winter and cooling in the summer. It's great for families. They're washable, spot cleanable. They don't stain. They can be washed over and over. They are amazing quality, and this is their iconic collection. It comes with a flat sheet, a fitted sheet, and 2 pillowcases. It's a double brushed microfiber, so it's super soft. And as you can see, it has this really nice silver trim that takes it up a notch and makes it look very hotel-like and fancy. So they're really, really nice sheet set. The microfiber is also double brushed, low maintenance, they're stain and fade resistant, and the best part is wrinkle resistance. No more ironing your sheets. Hope you'll take a look. They have many colors that they come in and they're a really great option. So please, thanks again Mellanni for sending me this great sheet set. Love it.